Hey everyone, this video we're going to mix lyophilized medications. We do have several medicines that we order that are lyophilized, which is basically freeze dried, and you will have to mix them yourself. Growth hormone comes lyophilized. Trimix, some of our Trimix products come that way. And for today, we're going to be mixing HCG. And the process is the same. You should get a mixing kit with your medication. So the medicine will be a powder, okay, and it's in there. You can see it. And then you're going to get a liquid. In this case, it's bacteriostatic water. Most of them are going to be bacteriostatic water that you will have to mix into this to make a concentrated solution for you to inject. Okay. You'll also get a syringe, and the syringe is a lot larger than the syringes that you'll use to inject the product. Obviously, it has a much larger needle, and that's because it's a lot easier to mix the two. Doing it through a 27 gauge needle or 30 gauge needle would take so much time, and you'd be here for a 2-second process. But it's pretty simple how it works. What you're going to do is take the water out of here and mix it into here. So we'll go ahead and get started with that. All right, first thing we're going to do is pop the tops of both of these. So off the water, off the med, alcohol swab, as we had discussed in the past. Clean the top, set it down. Clean the top on this one, set it down, clean surface. Again, just like you're injecting into yourself, draw up an air. This is a 10 ml vial. It says it on there, so 10 mLs it is, okay? Syringe is on tight. Take it straight in, inject your air. You don't have to push all the air in. Actually, it's better if you pulse it, and what it'll do is vacuum it into the syringe. So you can see I'm pulsing it. You'll get to a point where you'll actually have to pull it, okay? So after about 6-7 cc's, you can just kind of give it a little tug, and it will suck all of that out till we get 10 ml. So this may actually have slightly more than what you need. Just make sure you're drawing it to 10 ml. It's just a skosh over on this one, so we'll back it up. If you got a lot of bubbles, you can flick the tube to get the bubbles to the top and keep pulling it out. So there we are. We have our 10 cc's. You're then going to take your lyophilized portion of the medication and then inject all of that solution into the vial. Okay. And go slow on that. And then what I will tell you, because we are pressurizing, it's going to get harder. When you get close to the end, pull the needle back where there's air and let the air kind of come in to depressurize it. And then go back and squeeze the rest in. And then when you're in, take it again where the needle is just in the air portion and let the air out so it's not fully pressurized when you go to use it. Okay, that's that. We will throw this away. I'm just going to set it there. And then you'll have your medication. It's fully mixed. It's 10 cc, and since this is 10,000 units in 10 cc, it's 1,000 to 1 cc. Obviously, your dosage is going to be different, but now you have a fully mixed medication. Just make sure sometimes you have to roll them around a little bit, or you don't want to shake it. You just want to gently move it around, okay? You don't want to shake it because it's going to create air bubbles throughout it. You don't want to do that. Just kind of gently do it. This medication dissolve very easily, and you're ready to go. So this vial is now good, and I believe this one you have to store in your fridge. Most of them do once you mix them. Testosterone obviously don't because it's an oil preparation, but since this is a backwater preparation, you'll have to store this in a cool place. And everything's different. It'll tell you on the instructions what to do. But now you've successfully mixed your own medication, and you're good to use it. Thank you.